My bum is on fire right now. It's such a steep hill. Our workout this morning is literally just walking up this insane hill, which I don't think you can tell how steep it is on camera, but it is very steep. Josh and I had a really nice walk up that hill. It was really hard. We are now on our way to this place called Odette's. Super excited. It's one of Destin Ed's favorite places to go, and they know all the good spots, so it's gonna be amazing. Josh is with me. Hey, baby.
Hi, babe. Hi, Will.
Gonna go get some brunch now. It's a very overcast, kind of gloomy looking day, which is kind of nice. So I think we're actually gonna go to the museum after this and check out this cool art installation. We will see you
at the place.
At the place of brunch.
Tell it's a kitchen. You have to like really go up close to show everything.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi, Josh.
Yeah.
They're everywhere. Safe. Why is it so quiet in here?
It's a nice, peaceful environment.
It's not the library.
No, it's not, but it's a nice museum.
It's not the library. We can have it full volume. Liberate yourself. We're back again from Alaska. So, we're just waiting on the ferry at the Ferry Cafe. How cute is it that they have a Ferry Cafe? We also just had a spontaneous little bomb Alaska at Mesa. This is like next door to the ferry. So good.
Here she comes.
Beep beep. I think our ferry just arrived, so.
And Devonport. Did you say that?
Oh no, we're taking the ferry over to Devonport, which is very exciting. I've never been. Apparently it's just like a cute little town where you just walk around, bebop around, get some snacks, having a super nice, super chill day. We went shopping a little bit. We didn't buy anything, but we just like walked in and out of some shops. But it was really windy, so I didn't film anything.
Still classified as shopping, even though you just go when you don't really buy anything.
It's not
Browsing.
We're browsing. About to hop on a ferry and head over to Devonport and explore some more of Auckland. Walking up another hill. Josh just dragged me up this hill somewhere in Devonshire.
Babe, Devonport.
Devonport. Second hike of the day. And I'm wearing these shoes that are not for hiking at all. We have managed to do a lot today. This is so beautiful. We're heading back to Auckland now. A nice little adventure in Devonport. I'm so tired now. I feel like we've been at Disney World all day or something. How are you feeling? Fresh as a daisy? Your hair looks amazing. It's very unruly and rugged. Now we're just gonna head back home. Well, first we have to stop at the supermarket and get a couple ingredients to make dinner tonight. We're gonna make a vegan mac and cheese. I'm so tired. I'm really tired, babes.